tell a bitch, woo. Step up in this bitch, I look too fly. Cop the Dior shit on Ventura. Took a midnight swim in my July. Hating bitches block my medulla. I showed the bitch my pen, then I schooled her. Shot a essay, them in my Chula. Don't cheat.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, this is my maintenance vlog, and I'm just starting by making my hair. I washed it and blow dried it, then I started making my braids. First, I used this hair wax to make sure my parts stay neat, and then I take the French curl braiding hair and then cross them together, then I start braiding. I kind of wanted the braids to be very freestyle vibes because, you know, why not? So it's pretty basic. I just leave out some hairs in between while I braid, and I repeat this whole process for my entire head. And once I get to the end of my hair, because I want the braids to be short and still have the curls, so I just wrap it around to kind of tie it and secure the braids in place, because the French curl braiding hair is quite loose and slimy and it will come undone. You can also use a glue to secure this. An hack to part the back of your hair is to put a mirror behind you, or if you have an extra device like a tablet, you can mirror it, and this way you can see behind your head while you part. And I just continue braiding. This braid took me about 10 hours. I started in the night and I finished the next morning, and once I was done with my whole head, I proceeded to use mousse and some fixing spray to just make sure all the curls stay intact. And of course, I had to cut them so they are of the same length, and that's pretty much it. This hairstyle is pretty simple. If you can do braids on your natural hair or even twists, I feel like you can get it. You just make sure you grip the ends very tightly, because like I said earlier, the French curl braiding hair is quite slimy. And yeah, this is the result of the hair, guys. Tell me in the comments how you think I did. Honestly, I know I ate this soon. I used 3.5 packs of braiding hair to achieve this look. Good morning, guys. It's currently 9:30 and I'm headed to my nail appointment. Like, do you see how horrible they look? I was trying to grow them out, so I had like a whole face of I was just using gel X. Is that what it's called? Just paint. But I think it's not growing, so I'm sorry. I'm going to give up on this growing nails journey for now. I think maybe when semester resumes, I'll probably try to grow it again, but for now I want my claws. So yeah, I'm going to my nail appointment and my lash appointment. Let's go, guys. OOTD. I'm wearing this. It's a tube top and some jeans. Yeah.
Pretty girl from Joburg, see me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, maybe hit the job. Unless you come in with that commas. Or DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, spitting on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make them feel weaker. But they know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Ooh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to.
The last step of my routine is just to do like, I do my skincare reset. So I'll do like a clay mask or a rice mask most times, but today I'll be doing a clay mask like this, right? Just going to use this wax strips to get a little hair off here. I'm just going to apply both at the same time so I can yank it off when I still have the strength. I'm hoping. There's not a lot of air right now though, so. Then I'm going to go in with a sheet mask.
Ooh, it's something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her.
I'm gonna let this sit in for a few minutes.
Kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure and nails or something pedicure boss. She's fly effortlessly. And she move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting it all. That's the kind of girl I need.
My skincare, these two are the only extra steps I take. That's the MGF 1 day ampoule, and I do the clay mask. Like, I try to do it bi-weekly, but usually when I do my monthly reset, I always do the clay mask with the sheet mask, and then your skin will be looking, you see, your skin will be glowing, you'll be looking shiny. You will be wondering, what are you doing? What are you eating? Like, yeah. So I'm giving you guys a secret right now. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We have come to the end of this vlog. The nails are done. As you can see, the hair is done. The lash is lashing. The skin is skinning. It's about to be a great year 2025. Manifesting it with all my full chest. Again, thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Would you like to see more vlogs like this from me? If you guys would like hair tutorials, I can also make some of those because I have a couple of tricks up my sleeves in terms of hairstyles. This hair, I got them on Shein and they were like $2.99 or so, and I used 3.5 packs because they are kind of short. To be fair, I wanted them to be shorter, but when I made them, I actually like the way it looked longer. So yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Of everything